day, learners! Welcome to Grade 7 Mathematics. I am your teacher, Liezl, Racho from Monkayo National High School, Monkayo West District. This day, our goals are the following. First, define circle and its part. Second, identify the different parts of the circle. Let us start our discussion by examining the chosen figure on the screen. Did you notice anything common between them? Can you identify the particular shape of the figures? What geometric shape is common in the figures? Correct! All these things is having similar characteristics to our particular shape, and that is called circle. Did you have any idea about our topic? Look at these objects. They are all circular in shapes, like sun, wheel, coin, ball, clock, plate, and globe. So, no wonder our world is fascinated with circles. As implied in the figures, our lesson for this afternoon is all about circle. A circle is the set of all points in the plane that are the same distance away from a specific point. A circle is named after its center. Try to look at this illustration. Based on the diagram, we can name the circle by its center, and the point located at the center of the circle is point C. Therefore, the circle above is named as circle C. In symbol, it is written as circle C. After knowing the definition of circle, let us proceed to our next goal, which is to identify the parts of the circle. Diameter. It is an important part of a circle. The diameter of a circle is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle, and it has endpoints on the circle. All the diameters of the same circle have the same length. In the diagram, point C is the center of the circle, and it is named as circle C. And AB is the diameter of the circle. Since line segment AB passes through the center at point C. Another part of a circle is the chord. A chord is a line segment with both endpoints on the circle. But it is not necessarily that it passes through the center of the circle. From the diagram, line segment AB is the chord of circle C. Since we can name a chord using the two endpoints of the segment located in the circle, such as point A and point B, then we can conclude that line segment AB is the chord of circle C. Take note also that the chord and the diameter of a circle are related, because the diameter is the special chord that passes through the center of the circle, which is considered as the longest chord in the circle. The next part of the circle is radius. The radius of the circle is the line segment from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. This is also defined as half of the diameter. Radii is the plural form of radius. As you can see in the diagram, one endpoint is located at the center of the circle, which is point O. And the other endpoint is on the center, which is point C. Therefore, line segment OC is one of the radius of circle O. Based on the diagram, can you guess the other two radii of the circle? Correct! Line segment AO and line segment OB are the other radii of the circle. The radii of a circle are having the same length. We can now conclude that line segment OB is half the measure of line segment AB. Next part of a circle is arc. An arc of a circle is any portion of the circumference of a circle. In the diagram, the part of the circle from B to C forms an arc. An arc can be measured in degrees. In the circle above, arc BC is equal to the measure of angle BOC, that is 45 degrees. The other part of a circle is tangent. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at only one point. A tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact. The point of tangency is where a tangent line touches the circle. In the diagram, the line containing the points B and C is a tangent to the circle. It touches the circle at point B and is perpendicular to the radius line segment OB. Point B is called the point of tangency because it is the point that touches the circle only at one point. Line segment BC is perpendicular to line segment OB. Since BC is perpendicular to OB, therefore, it forms right angle whose measure is equal to 90 degrees. Let's have another part of the circle, which is secant. A secant line intersects the circle in 2 points. A secant of a circle is a line passing through a circle that intersects at 2 points. In the diagram, point C is the center of the circle and it is named as circle C. As you can see, the arrow hits the 2 points on the circle and will be labeled as point A and point B. Therefore, line AB is the second line of circle C, where the line extends infinitely in both directions. In addition to the parts of the circle is central angle. Central angle is an angle whose vertex is at the center of a circle. In the diagram, the center of the circle is point A, which is also the vertex of angle BAC. And then, the two radii is segment AB and segment AC. So, angle BAC is the central angle of circle A. And the last part of a circle is the inscribed angle. an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides are determined by two chords. In the diagram, the inscribed angle is the angle ABC because the vertex of the angle is on the circle, and it contains two chords, which is segment AB and segment BC. As to end up our discussion on circle, can you recall the parts of the circle? Correct! The parts of the circle are diameter, chord, radius, arc, tangent, secant, central angle, and inscribed angle. Have you learned something from the discussion? Great job! In this part of our discussion, let us practice. Open your modules on page 8 and we will answer the set of activities. Direction. Name the parts of the circle using the figure. Activity number 1. Find the parts of a circle A that best fit each description. Let us all examine the diagram and find the best answer that corresponds to the descriptions on the given diagram. Letter A. What is the radius or radii of a circle? Again, what is the radius or radii of a circle? Correct! Line segment HA and AF. Since the line segments mark the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Letter B. What is the chord of a circle? Again, what is the chord of a circle? Correct! Line segments CD, HF, and DG. Since these are the segments whose endpoints lies on the circle. Letter C. What is the tangent line of the circle? Again, what is the tangent line of the circle? Correct! Line BJ, since the line touches the circle at exactly one point. Letter D. What is the point of tangency? Again, what is the point of tangency? Correct! Point H, since this point touches the circle that contains the tangent line. Letter E. What is the diameter of a circle? Again, what is the diameter of a circle? Correct! Line segment HF, since the line segment passes through the center of the circle at point A. Letter F. What is the secant of a circle? Again, what is the secant of a circle? Correct! Line BD, since the line intersects the circle at 2 points. Did you get the correct answers? Very good! For your assignment, answer activity number 2, letter A, page 8, and activity B on page 9 on your modules. And if you encounter any difficulty in doing the task, Do not hesitate to ask assistance from your teacher. Thank you for staying with me in this worth-keeping learning experience. I am your teacher, Liezl Racho, from Monkayo National High School, Monkayo West District. Saying that, we need to keep our circle positive with good people and good things will come our way. Remember, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!